The third edition of the Na Thymmei festival will take place at Madan Weiking, Jaiaw, Shillong on the 26th and 27th of October 2024. Organized by the Seng Khasi Kmie, the festival celebrates the essence of indigenous culture. At a press conference held today, Cultural Secretary Hmarsing Kharmar stated that the tourism department would cover 75% of the festival's costs, with the remaining 25% funded by the organization. A highlight of the event will be a traditional fashion contest, Lukhimai and Khadsaw Synñia, on the 27th of October. The festival will showcase the rich cultural heritage of the state, featuring traditional dances, folk music, indigenous cuisine, and workshops on native wisdom. It will also provide a platform for artists blending ancient traditions with modern expressions. Cultural groups from neighboring regions will also perform during the event. Publicity Secretary D. Suyam, Seng Khasi and Miss Lukhimai 2023 Emma Bopang were in attendance at the press conference held today.
Hari ini tamasa kawai di saki bagi labon di festivals bagi kam donahi festivals kiba pergi ya clarity baka pensyai seperti angkat tenrai kaba compare kalong baka Na Thymmei ni yo benlum ya ki kinhon na keleng bring neutral but ni kintu ya ki ban batai lam si angkasat ni ba supeni ya kasat ni katem ka karwai kasiau ni kwa ba ki long wan juga wan pekai ki yo ngam kham jiliu ti kani kalong kawai ka bentar ba kham kerpang jong Na Thymmei nama ku Seng Khasi bun ki khot keleng celah but hari ni akan ti ni la penyiar daga ba khot ikinhon na garwens but kan wan ikinhon na Mizoram but kin sawan ay kijing syat tenrai chungki but kin sapen snow shang ka jingmon but ki jing start chung ka tenrai akan ni ka program dalam kre untuk Islam member dan apa ni kuat ban ketop lang ya ki sports indigenous sports tiga ni ada kesin kepala ngila nang penyar susu ngila nang mah susu tiga jingmu ni kalong ba kan ketop lat ya ke kalong tenrai ka bangila ban tintiu susu
Na Thymmei festival karena ketika Na Thymmei festival ketika kasih ke balai mengi jawaban penlong hantai apa Madan Weiking mentang Islam ketika diberikan ke balai ke mengi penlong itu menjelaskan watak kijing syat kijing sistem kijing batai umum mencinai di utara mencinai di bom kijing batai di cloud tetap mungkin ini betul pengikut ini beri balang enam jadi balang tip bahaya sebangkan ini di kerja tunggu kalau ban create ke platform ban island di sama ini baton ini sama peroker ba kinyo di kata platform ban beri ya satu bukti tak dipulih ka funding nanti bon menteri mundur ka funding kumulawan the funding only 75% kedai government funding, but 25% kedai Seng Khasi Kmie.